Hello student, in this lecture I will discuss about types of feedback control system. So as we know, the open loop transfer function is GS into HS. So if HS equal to 1, then this system is called unity feedback system. Okay. So see here, the open loop transfer function GS of a unity feedback system can be written in two standard forms, namely the time constant form and the pole zero form. The general representation of these two forms are like this. Okay, so here time constant form, I have given the time constant form numbering is 2.122 and I have given the pole zero form equation is 2.123. So according to time constant form, we represent the open loop transfer function by this equation. Okay, see the equation number 2.122. And according to the pole zero form, and according to the pole zero form, we express the open loop transfer function by this equation. That means the second equation, and the equation number is 2.123. Okay, so in these two equation, T represent time constant, Z is the 0, and P represent the pole of the system. Okay. Now see the relation between K and K dash. So we can relate this K and K dash by this equation. Here the equation number is 2.124, where I have written how we relate K and K dash. So the relation between K and K dash is K is equivalent to K dash into product of all zeros divided by product of all poles. Okay. So see, in both representation, the terms s to the power n in the denominator represent the n poles at the origin, which represent the type number of the system. If n equal to 0, then the system is known as type 0 system, and if n equal to 1, then the system is known as type 1 system, and so on. So according to the definition, the type number of a system is defined as the number of poles of GS at the origin, or number of integrators present in the system. So see in equation 2.122, the number of poles at the origin is n. So the type number of the system is n. So what is the type of the system? So the type of the system is the highest number of poles at a origin in a open loop transfer function gives the type of the system. Okay, now we will see some example. So see, in first example, the number of poles of GS at origin is 0. That's why the type of this system is 0. That is this is type 0 system. See the second example. In the second example, the number of pole present at the origin is 1. That's why this system is type 1 system. And in third example, see here the number of pole present in the origin is 2. That's why this is type 2 system. Okay, so this is all about type of the system. Okay, thank you.